In this lesson, we're going to learn about numbers, place value, and finding the least or the greatest number. And we have a word problem here that says, a farmer kept track of how many apples were picked over 3 days. On which day were the least number of apples picked? And we could see a chart here. And on these days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, these amount of apples were picked. And we need to find out which one was the least day. So the first thing to do is to count the number of digits for each number. So they each have 4 digits, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All have 4 digits. The next thing to do is to compare each digit starting from the left and starting with the highest place value. So you would compare each of these numbers, but you start with these numbers first. So you move from this way to this way when you compare. So we know that 3 is greater than 2. So we know automatically that 3890 is the greatest number. So we can rule that one out as being the least. Now we go to the next number and look at them. So 2410 and 2530. These are the numbers that are left. So they both have the same thousands digit, okay? They both have 2. So we need to go to the next digit. So the next digit for this number is 4. The next digit for this number is 5. And that's the hundreds digit. So the hundreds digit is different. 4 is less than 5. So we know that 2410 is less than 2530. So the least number is 2410. So then we know that the least number of apples that were picked were on Tuesday. And that's the end of that problem. And don't worry if you don't get it right away. You could just rewatch the video. And if you need further resources, just take a look at my description page. And there's links in there to other videos of mine that are similar to this. Also, you could download the ebook. The ebook has this exact lesson in it, and you could follow in the ebook this exact lesson while watching the video. Thank you for listening, and please subscribe and like the video if you liked it. Thank you so much.